Yes, the environmental study first chapter is balance in nature. You have read environmental study earlier also. So the chapter which is described in class 8 continues with the same. What do you mean by balance in nature? In this part, we will read what is ecosystem. Ecosystem word is the natural balance between the things which are found in nature. Then you will read about the flow of energy. How does energy flow take place from one form of energy to another form of energy? And you will read about the different food chains and food web. Food chain and food web you have learned earlier. You have read about them earlier. So here you will read what are the food chains and what are the food webs. So here there is a key thought given that man is dependent on nature. Nature is not dependent on man. You must have seen that during the lockdown when everything was stopped, then nature healed up. Everything was clean. We found that everything came to the balance. So why do you think this happened? Because nature is not dependent, man is dependent on nature. So when man stopped interfering with the nature, everything became clean. Even the water, you must have read in the news that everything became clean. So we as human beings are dependent on nature. We cannot command nature to do something. We are totally dependent on nature. So in this chapter we will read how is human being or how man is related to nature and how is the nature balanced by the act of human beings.